In this video, let's understand what's the importance of Java Collections Framework and what is Java Collection Framework. First, we can see what is the Java Collection Framework. Collections in Java is a framework that provides an architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. The Java Collection Framework provides a set of interfaces and the classes to implement the various data structures algorithms. For example, the linked list class of the collections framework provides the implementation of the W linked list data structures. Interfaces of collections framework. The Java collection framework provides various interfaces. These interfaces include several methods to perform different operations on collections. So these are the way Java collection framework, and here the collection is the top interface or root interface, and this root interface have a sub interfaces. The sub interfaces are list, set and queue, and these details we will study in the further slide. So this is the collection hierarchy. Here the collection is the top or root element, and here it is divided into three sub interfaces. One is the set, and the other one is the list, and another one is the queue. Here the set have the various list of classes, subclasses, hash set, then linked hash set, then tree set, array list, vector, linked list, and priority queue. These are the various classes in the sub interfaces. Here the collection does not implement directly to the classes. So here the collection extends to the set, and then the classes are implemented by using the set. Then we can move on to the Java collection interface. The collection interface is the root interface of the Java collection framework. This is the root interface, and here there is no direct implementation to this interface. However, it is implemented through a sub interfaces. Here the list, set and queue are called as the sub interfaces. For example, the array list class implements the list interface, which is the sub interface of the collection interface. Sub interfaces of collection: list interface, set interface and the queue interface. First we will see about the list interface. The list interface is an ordered collection. So by using this ordered collection, we can either perform the add operation, or we can remove elements like an array operation. Here the class implements the list, and since list is an interface, we cannot create an object from it. So in order to create the functionality of the list interface, we have to use the classes here. Here array list, linked list, tag, vector are called as the classes. So in order to implement the functionality of the list, we use the class here: array list, linked list, tag and the vector. Likewise, in set interface, the set interface allows us to store elements in different sets, similar to the set in mathematics. The main property of the set interface is it should not have any duplicate elements. Classes that implements the set. Since set is an interface, we can here also the set is an interface. We cannot create object from it. Instead, the functionality is provided by using the classes. Here the classes are enum set, hash set, linked hash set and the tree set. By using all these classes, the set interface provides the functionality. Then queue interface. The queue interface is used when we want to store and access the elements in first in, first out manner. So the principle based in the queue interface is FIFO. Since the queue is an interface, we cannot provide the direct implementation of it. In order to use the functionalities of queue, we need to use class that implement it. So the class that implement is array DQ, linked list and the priority DQ. Now we can move on to the common methods in collection. The common methods in collection are add, add all, remove, remove all, size, clear, contain, contains all, retain and retain all.